Hi, we Femolay. Nice to meet you again. Welcome to the news episode, The Woodland Noises. And this weekend, we have fish tank with on the stream style on Chi Minh City. Nature, nature, and nature. Look how wonderful it is. Fish, swim, driftwood, rock, stone. Let's see how we make it. First of all, our team spent a week to finish on Hardscape, which include a big driftwood at the center on the rock, gravel, and natural stream. Repairing Hardscape first will save much setup time for popular tank sites like that. Now let's do it step by step. We separate the Hardscape into two parts to carry and deliver them easily. Avoid it from broken and unpredicted factor. And here, our baby would be at the center. Really unit driftwood. Oh, hello baby. It's your new neighbor here. We use nature stream, gravel, and sand from Femolay for a nature look. Cover the gaps and build a substrate with some gravel arrangement. And next, this is a super important step to make stone, gravels, and sand blend each other as a whole nature on the stream environment. Look, you can see the difference. He's talking about a light bulb. What a magical light! Our substrate blended well together, but the light is so shine and colorized. Next, we add some branch along the driftwood to make it more realistic. Feeling as there is some old branch broken into the water, flow the stream, then strike by the driftwood. We use super glue to stick them together if needed. And water is coming. You can see the color change of a driftwood. Like I gained some saturation on the clip, but I'm not. That because the light is so magical. It enhances everything inside the tank. I mean, everything. Water brings life. And we are done now. Let the tank run water circling few days before going and get some fish. This is before and the after. build a tank, fish, stone, driftwood, everything blend perfect. Now you can see real lovely corner in the house. Hi baby. So relax. And that is the end. Thank you for watching. We are Femolay.